Happy Mail in, and this time it is from Dalia. And she is, tell you in a minute, tell you when I get to it. How's that? Dalia is the sweetest lady. It says, make today pretty. Look at this cute little card she made. She is Manderly Cards and More. All items dyed by me. I said, just a little something to brighten your day. Have fun using them. And Dalia, I absolutely will. I have done this video before. I didn't hit record, so that's why it's already open. But here's some clean tea bags. And it's where she used recycles. Look at these bags. Aren't they awesome? I can't wait to use these. I'm out. She made some adorable pockets, and Dalia, these are totally awesome. I don't know how she gets her paper the way she does, but it's got a great texture to it. So yeah, these are awesome. She did some right and left tuck spots from pages from books, and they are awesome too. I mean, she's just like, I don't know how she does this paper. Look at this belly band. These belly bands are totally awesome. I don't know, maybe she's got cardboard or something in between them. I don't know. Dalia, what's your secret? These are fantastic. But it looks like you can see book pages all the way through, so I don't know how she's doing it. Another one, and maybe it's just a good quality paper. I don't know. Oh yeah, maybe my paper's just cheap. So this is a double pocket. And here's another double pocket. And another single pocket. So these are cool. Absolutely cool. And I love them. And Dalia, you know how I used the heck out of these things. And I was completely out looking for one for my Dark Shadows journal. So thank you so much. Because, yeah, it is tea stained doilies in 6 sizes, and they came at a perfect time. Then look at this tea dyed paper in bright colors. I mean, first of all, just listen. I don't know if she does YouTube sales or has a shop where she sells. So Dalia, if you do, please leave in the comments down below. Check out this peach color. I don't know how she did this. It's a very, very, very light orange that makes it look like, it looks like orange sherbet or peach. I don't know which one she used, but wow. This is beautiful paper. I'm going to say she probably used an orange. It just didn't leave it in as long. I'm going to try that trick. And I was absolutely out of green. I just ordered some more green dye because I have an order for a nautical journal, not a nautical, botanical. And I want to try to make 2 of them. I love the sound of this paper. And look at all of this pink. All of this beautiful, different shades of pink. That's got lines in it. That is cool. Awesome papers. I love getting other people's dyed papers. This is just, it makes me think, well, Kathie, why you bother? Just go buy it. This is awesome. I love the patterns on this page. Look at this blue. Just love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Oh, wow. That's gorgeous. You know, it's funny, it's the second time I've done this video, and I'm seeing new things I didn't see the first time. So it's probably good I had to redo it. Oh, look at pale yellow. Ooh, pretty. This would go good in the botanical journal, too. And she sent a lot of it, so Dalia, I thank you so much, because this is going to be a huge help in projects I have to do. And of course, How much did you giggle when you put this paper in here? Dalia and Chiquita are friends. So I got some lavender, and I'm going to use it. I'm going to surprise you and Chiquita both. I'm going to make a purple journal. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. I couldn't work with purple that long. But I am going to use these papers you sent me, because I'll figure out something to do with it. So this little card will go in my memory book. You know, I keep notes or cards or whatever somebody sends, or a piece of what they a piece of what they send in my memory book. And I make a new one every year that I keep Happy Mail things in. So gonna be some lavender pages in that book, I tell you already. So check out Mandely Cards and More. I know I'm not saying it right, but it's Dalia, and it is Mandely Cards and More. And when she comments down below, Dalia, make sure you comment down below. Follow that link to go to her channel, and please subscribe to her. These are some great, wonderful, no drama ladies, and I just love them all. Okay, I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.